Okay. All right. Today is August 12th, 2024. Um, I don't really have any levels. The market didn't really do much in the overnight session. Just basically bounced around. Not as volatile as it was the last two or 3 weeks. 2 weeks actually. The last 2 weeks. So right now we have a lot of small candles inside of a supply zone. Yeah, supply zone. We're above the 50% mark of the year for ES, and NQ is at the 50% mark of the year. So, and this is the candle that I wanted to check for NQ. And ES, I do have a similar one here. So strong selling, but I'm not sure what to make of it yet. So probably not gonna. I'm probably gonna disregard it because price didn't really move from it. We're kind of like still, kind of in it. No, not really. We're out now. So buying is still um, present inside of this supply zone. So I'm gonna lean towards the buying side because we haven't sold out of it. But I'm gonna look for where we can bounce and move higher. Um, Pretty much it. I don't have anything to tell you the truth. So I don't know. I don't know. Actually, here's what I'm gonna do. Because I'm not going to try to buy in supply. I need to break above here for me to start buying. So while I'm in supply, I will be looking for a way to go short, looking for a price to actually reject. On the breakout retest, I'll look for a buy. If we break out and retest, this is a pretty huge range, about 65 points. Volatility did die out like completely on Friday. It just kind of like stopped, and we've been hanging out here, so we might see higher prices. So maybe if we bounce lower, somewhere around here, somewhere, I don't know. Um, this is the last buying area, so maybe somewhere around here. We'll go back up. Um, Other than that, I don't really have much to really go off of. I don't see any clear patterns. I don't see anything that's sticking out to me. Anything that's saying, "Oh, look at this." Um, yeah, I mean, we do have an upward trend, but it looks like garbage. I don't think I can even draw anything on it, or know how to even go about this. It's hard, right? This looks fine. Broken. Should have seen some price movement lower, but didn't. Price just reclaimed. This can't do nothing here. Maybe with this one. No, not really. Um, so it's kind of tough for me to really um, see an uptrend without me forcing an uptrend. We are somewhat in an uptrend, but for me to draw one that is clean, so this is not clean, so I'm not gonna draw it. What was clean, we kind of like breaking above it, so I just need something clean to appear for me to even say, okay, let's get into it. Um, I'm gonna check my other Discord to see if anybody's looking at anything that stands out to them because I don't have anything that stands out to me. Um, yeah, so um, this is tough. Copy. So, yeah, let's see what they have at Investor Trade pre-market. All right, so my plan for today will revolve around 5383, 5383, which is a level that got developed on A2 sell-off. For me, that got developed. Oh yeah, A2 sell-off. Other than this, market seems to be balanced. Below it, and more structure would be needed if not successful above. The market can open above 5383, find support, strong volume break. I want to be long, targeting 5419. So he has nothing cleared. For me, this high strong volume is an issue, as well as this here. So there's a lot of selling that was happening here. If market can open above, if market were to break 5383 and fell below under 5368, should be about here. Possible this to the downside, and there is demand is 5328. And there is demand. I do have this here, this line here, which is what 5328 that I marked. But this is where we tested 5320. So it's kind of looking like mine with a whole bunch of weirdness going on, and 5465. There's a gap. Going to the daily. Did I miss a gap? I think I got all the gaps. We need regular candles, right? 5465. Yeah, we got all the gaps. Let's take off extended. Oh, I guess it would be a gap fill. 5465. And this would be a gap fill. 5381 is where we're trading. So yeah, let me mark this. Let's get this going. Okay. Alright. I'm cool with that. Yeah, because this is where we sold. Right, this is where we actually sold. So this gap got filled. So I don't. Okay, yeah. This gap needs to be filled. Let's mark this one gap fill also, because that's the bottom of it. It's just a little higher. Alright, back to 30-minute. Zoom out. Yeah, that would be cool. So definite rejection up here. So I'm glad that I looked into that. Alright, and let's add back the all the gaps been filled except for that one up there. Let's add back the extended hours, and that is what we're struggling with. Okay, so maybe I'll find some support in here where price can move higher. I'm thinking about moving this a little bit higher. We never really bounced off of this level besides here, and we gap down. Other than that, we fill that gap, push down. So would have been a nice trade. So now that we're back above it, I don't know. Let me check one more time. I don't have price inside the large. I don't have price inside the large supply zone. I just have it testing a resistance level above the large price region categorized as supply for me at least. 5383, 5435. Yeah, my zone looks just like this. I have 5415 to 5430. Which not only is a supply zone, but it coincides with 5132, which was the bottom of the previous balance zone. I am also eyeing 5326, which is part of, which at this point is a support level. 5326. I don't have any tested 5326. Oh, lower part. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Yeah, 5326. Okay. And I'm eyeing 5272. My level just comes a little bit early, so which has been somehow reliable and has been 50% fib around it. Okay. Also, don't have any supply here, but your supply is very big, so I assume it must be the daily, which I don't put. Look at it from five, 4, 3, 2 resistance, but his just a little higher. 5, 4, 3, 2, which would be, yes, it's up here, but mine would start this one here. Yanashi. Let's see. 5, 4. Mine would start maybe around here. 5, 4, 06. Are we jogging a little bit? We are. 5, 4, 19. 5, 4, 19. Might be able to start it here. I think I can bring it to 5, 4, 06. My levels are pretty much looking pretty identical. I might raise mine a little higher. 5, 2, 2, 5. Okay. All right. Oh, it's NFP, right? Yeah, this is Friday. NFP. What day was that? August 2nd. Okay. All right. So those are my levels. I'm not going to do much to that. I'm gonna update this actually to where this closed at 540688. 540688. Do that. Oops. 540688. All right. So there we go. I just don't have anything here. So right now we're in the middle of nowhere. Okay. I'll keep it like that. And then let's look at fix, and then I'm buying right here. Okay, I like this buying. Let's just put all of it under this thing here. Is this? Yep, Friday buying. Okay. And that's exactly where we are. Alright. I can stay. Okay. The price did not move out of this news event. So, kind of interesting to see price just hanging out here. So it looked like it tried, but just couldn't. So we're gonna deal with that and get rid of this. Selling, no, selling started here. Selling. Okay. All right. So this is kind of where I'm at with this. Let's go into our settlement prices and see if I can get anything to help me. Five, 3, 70, 25. Yeah, see, that didn't look right. Let's see what settlement price brings. We're at settlement price. Too much clutter. IQ is likely the same. I'm not even going to. Yeah, share that. IQ is likely the same. Settlement. Let's do that. Yeah, it's clutter. I'm gonna let this clutter my screen. Let's look at ADR level, and then we'll be done. We don't have any news events today. Pretty clean. If anything, I'll probably be focusing more on initial balance. Let initial balance be my friend. Or is this 5425? Why does that sound familiar? 5425. Here. 5440. It's a little higher out of range, but that's fine. I'm going to make you pink. good. Stop you there. Boom. Okay, I like that. This is 5,300 down here. Not gonna stress about that. And then NQ, and then we're done. And then I can meditate or something. 18,888,875. We're deep in there. Close. 18,641,06. 18,641,6. 18,888,875, right? Yeah. It's up there. I don't have anything for it. It's just where it's at. Okay. Alright, so that's it. That's all I got. Alright, so that's it for me. I'll be back in the evening to go over my levels, go over any trade that I took. Like I said, there's no news today, so I'll just be monitoring the price auction to see what I can get, if I can get anything.